मुझे जो सही लगता है मैं करता हूं, वो चाहे भगवान के खिलाफ हो, समाज के खिलाफ हो, पुलिस, कानून या फिर पूरे सिस्टम के खिलाफ क्यों ना हो।
So, sir, as per today's agenda, the first issue that we have for consideration today is IVRCL, unhandled last chance exception, causing a water leak of 400 liters.
Have we run this tool in our lab?
Well, sir, we haven't. We do not have the infrastructure to run the IVRCL tool locally.
Well, what about TrueScan? Have you
Yes.
run that tool?
Yes, sir, we've run TrueScan, but that does not report the problem.
What caused this problem to be discovered now?
Well, sir, different tools have different results at different points in time, especially when it's run by different people. So, we're not sure what to run ourselves. Normally, sir, we run all the tools that we're able to get our hands on, so we don't take any chances.
Well, run all the tools you can lay your hands on all programs and all applications that you own. And I want to report first thing in the morning with my first cup of tea. Does that sound good?
Okay, sir, that sounds excellent. Under which bucket should we put this issue, sir?
अबे पानी नहीं है, bucket कौन से लाएगा? Moving on. What's the analysis of this situation?
Sir, the initial situation analysis was that this was an issue that does not fall into the critical bucket. However, I have commenced a full situation analysis and taken the problem into full investigation. And after a week of in-depth analysis, conference calls with both internal and external partners, and analyzing SQUIM, sewage quality metrics, our findings corroborate our initial understanding. To summarize, there is very low customer impact, sir.
What do you mean by customer impact?
Sir, in our analysis, we have observed no reports of customers having faced insurmountable issues above and over those faced previously, leading us to believe that this particular issue has not contributed to any negative customer perceptions over the past few weeks.
Well, that shows that your findings are incomplete, inaccurate, and insulting to our collective intelligence. Customer impact, I will tell you what the customer impact is. We have customers running naked from the 8th floor to the ground floor along the stairs, clad only in a towel. And this has happened more than once.
Sorry, sir, I should have checked. I have taken a note of this, sir. But, sir, how would I be able to get a repro if I needed one?
Ram?
Well, yes, of course, I'll have it ready. In fact, for this particular thing, we will actually have the concerned folks who can help us generate a repro. But well, for this particular circumstance, I guess it is you.
Sounds good. Now that we have a consistent repro and clear customer impact, can we resolve this?
That's simple, sir. This one can be resolved as external.
That sounds good. Who are these external people? What is our SLA with these people?
Now that you mentioned, sir, we've gotten the external participant to participate in this audience, waiting to speak, to present their side of the issue, sir.
Should we get them in?
क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
सरकार पानी तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे माँ कसम।
बे सरकार के साथ तमीज से बात कर। जानते हो कहाँ खड़े हो?
भाई इसको साइड में लो क्या?
साइड में तो तुम खड़े हो। बोलो, पानी छोड़ोगे या नहीं?
सरकार छोटा वकील का हुक्म है, सुपारी लिया है हमने, पानी तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे और नंगा भागने वाले को गुन चुन के मारेंगे।
फोन लगा इसके बाप को।
अपनी तो जैसे तैसे, थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे।
कौन है बे?
तेरा बाप। अबे नंबर ने स्टोर किया क्या? तेरे टट्टू मेरे सामने खड़े हैं।
माफी सरकार, बहुत बड़ी गलती।
सुन ले कुत्ते, तू अगर पानी बंद करेगा तो मैं 8th फ्लोर से नीचे आऊंगा। तेरे आदमी गंजी में खड़े, मेरे राइट गियर में। तेरे आदमी के पास घोड़े, मेरे आदमी के पास फाइटर जेट, इफ यू नो व्हाट आई मीन। तू चिल्लर गिनता है, मैं खोखे में खेलता हूं। तू वडाला में हफ्ता वसूल करता है, मैं वॉशिंगटन में बिलियन तोड़ता हूं। जब तू पॉकेट मारता था तो मैंने ब्लास्टर को ब्लास्ट किया, कॉम का केम बचाया और एज को एजलेस किया। अब पतली गली से निकल और पानी खोल।
माफी सरकार, बहुत बड़ी गलती। जैसे आपकी हुक्म।
फोन काटो। रिजॉल्व कर दो एक्सटर्नल। एंड नाउ वी आर CVB, शिप इट।